Hi everyone. Hello. Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are tuning in from. Thank you for joining our training today. Today is day 60 of our 90-day run. My name is William Shima and you can call me Work Master. Today we are discussing Facebook and how to use Facebook and IG stories with quizzes or polls. Okay, if you can see me, let me know in the comment section. If you can hear me too, let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for joining us once again. Hi everyone, yeah, I can see you. Alright, so as I said, today we are discussing how to use these two things, the banners and the polls. Okay, let me just display. So the polls and the stickers on Instagram story and on Facebook. Okay, so that's what we are going to discuss today, and I hope that you're going to learn a lot. Thank you all for joining from day 1 to day 60. Now we just have 30 days to go, a month to go. All right, on a short semi-sabbatical break on social media, so I'll be doing most of my assignments in the second and third quarter of 2023. I love you guys, I love you all. All right, so let's just go straight, let's dive straight into today's training. So IG is Instagram. So Instagram poll is just 2 questions. It's a yes or a no. Now we have quizzes too. Quizzes can be up to 4. Quizzes are up to 4 options, so you can ask people things to engage them. Now if you have not watched trainings from day 57 to today, you might be a little bit confused, but that's what we are discussing now. The stories, how to engage people with the stories, and so polls and quizzes. Now the poll is just yes or no that you can ask people on your stories, that or Facebook or IG stories. Now quizzes can be up to four questions. Okay, 4 questions or 4 options. Now how do you find them? You can find them at the sticker option, at the sticker feature. Now let's go there. Let me just show you. I've put my phone away, so I will not be able to share it on the screen. I've not been online, like social media online, WhatsApp, those things for like 3 weeks now. Stay with 1 week and I'll be back from my semi-sabbatical break. All right, so let me just show you how it is. I hope you guys can see my screen. Now when you swipe to where your stories are, okay, you click the plus or you swipe to the camera and go to the 3 dots at the upper right corner. These options will come. You have polls and then you have questions. Also you can have the quizzes. Now the polls, this is how the question looks like. If you select a question, this is how a question looks like. We've discussed this last 2 weeks and then last 3 weeks, so you know how to do this one. And then this is how the quiz tool looks like. I recommend that you use quizzes on Instagram, okay, and then you can use polls on Facebook. So quizzes on Instagram works really well, and the polls also work well, but I suggest that you use polls for Facebook stories and quizzes for Instagram stories. So this is an example of the polls. Okay, so you can ask a question. We'll get back to some of the questions that you can ask later. Let's move on. Now first of all, you can take a picture or a video of you, then add the quiz. A video of you doing anything, working, can be silent, it can have an audio at the background, whatever it is. Don't be worried too much. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me. I can see you, or if you are getting value from this training, type value. If you are joining live, let me see you live. If you are watching a replay, to type replay. Okay, all right, so take a picture or video and then you select the stories, upload it there, then you add the quiz. When you go to the sticker option, you can see the polls there as I showed you in the picture above. Click on the poll and then you can ask the question there. I'll give an example of some of the questions and then some of the quizzes that you can use. Okay, so for Instagram it should be quiz versus the poll. For Facebook it is poll. All right, you use the poll. Now some of the 3-part series can be let's say you want to show people how to make money, all right, or you are building your brand around weight management, or people helping lose weight, or people working out, or people taking food supplements, or people having an extra source of income, or people managing their money well. All right, so you can just ask some of these questions. For an example, you can say, do you struggle with keeping up with your budget, or do you struggle with following it on a tight budget, or do you struggle with your weight, do you struggle with eating healthy, do you struggle with working out? You can ask something like that. So it can be a yes or no question. So let me just give you an example here. So the poll can be where I've written ask a question, it can be, do you struggle with eating healthy, or do you struggle with losing weight? Then yes or no. All right, it can be on Facebook story or Instagram story. The procedure is still the same. The 3 dots at the upper right corner of your phone screen when you go to the story area. All right, so this is a similar one. When the picture, let's say this is your dog or your cat or rabbit, whatever it is, then you select the poll. This is actually a quiz. Okay, you can select something like this, or when you do the poll and you want to see the results, and let's say a lot of people select yes, like they all struggle with managing their weight, you will see that those who say yes will be 52% and no might be 48%. Okay, so the yes or no, it will show you the percentage, knowing for you to know that most of the people that are watching your stories, they are interested in managing their weight. You post something about money, okay, that do you want to learn how to budget, okay, and then 99 people say no, it means that your people, they are not interested in money. If 99 people say yes, it means that you need to be posting more about money. These tools are there to help us direction our content, okay, because most people that are following you will be clicking either yes or no. So this is an example of a poll, a question. If you ask a question on Instagram, all right, you can ask a question like, is it good to drink water before or after eating food? When do you drink water? Then the first option, when you are thirsty. Second option, when you are not thirsty. Third option, when you are very, very thirsty, or when you are traveling, or when the sky is blue. Whatever it is that you want to ask. All right, so it can have one question, we can have one answer, so that when they select it, they will know that it's wrong or it's correct. So these are quizzes. These are an example of quiz. If you want people to find your favorite color, you will let them type, all right, what is my favorite color? Then red, blue, yellow, green. So all of those options are there. If they select the correct one, it will come as a like that celebration sticker, that thing, it will come, so that you know. If they select the wrong one, it will show as red at the right side of my screen here. I hope you can see that when they select the correct one, it will be green. So these are quizzes that you can do in your Instagram stories. Now the poll is what I said, this you can do it on Instagram, but I suggest that you do that on Facebook. It works really, really well on Facebook. These are the polls, and this is a quiz, an example of a quiz. This is an example of a question. We discuss how to get people to answer these questions, so how to answer these questions by yourself so that you can create more content. We did that last 3 weeks, so if you've not watched that, I encourage that you get back to some of the trainings that we did. All right, so this is an example too. You can ask an example of the poll, okay. You can ask something like, have you ever struggled getting a good night's sleep? Have you ever tried getting a good night's sleep? So you see if people will reply with a yes or no. It is very easy. If people are just swiping through your stories on IG and Facebook are like WhatsApp status. It just comes quick. Most people are prone to watching the stories than this thing. the timeline posts. Okay, so and then the yes or no, it's very easy. They can just click yes or no. Don't ask too technical questions, just ask basic simple questions that will get more people to react to it. Okay, so you can ask another question like, have you ever struggled with low energy, or do you know anyone struggling with hypertension, BP, diabetes, something like that? Do you know anyone that is constantly tired? You want to find out how these people will be able to fit in your business criteria or the product that you want to recommend, so that when you are posting product videos, you know that okay, most of my followers or the people that are watching my content are interested in energy things, or they are interested in making money, or they are interested in losing weight. So you'll be able to know that you need to post products and all that. All right, good. So some of the questions can also be, have you ever struggled losing your stomach or belly fat? You can ask all those things. It's very important. Now, how to use this on your stories? That's the quiz. I suggest that you use it on Instagram, and the poll you use it on Facebook. By now you know what a quiz is and a poll, and then you know what the questions are. All right, and then I've given you an example of some of the scripts that you can use. All right, so you show them how they have helped others. So you can post stories of how some of the products have helped people lose weight, how some of the products have helped people manage their weight or sleep better and all that. Okay, you can share it. If it's yourself, you can record a video of you testifying on some of the product that has helped you. Okay, that is after you've seen that you've posted a poll or the questions, and then most people say, like 99% say that yeah, they are struggling losing belly fat. Then you post the video or the picture that is saying that you have a product that can help them. It usually really works. When people react to your poll or your questions, they are likely to come to see the answer you have for them. Now, thank you all for joining. Thank you. Yeah, I can see all the comments. Thank you. Now the day or the assignment for day 60. Okay, so do a 3 or 4 story post, and then you can ask a question. This one is not automatically shared to Facebook if you are doing it on IG. Now share a testimony. Tell them how they can get the information. That is the xxxx, how they can get the information. If you shared how to lose belly fat, share them the information on how they can get what you have, whether they send you a DM or a WhatsApp message, whatever it is. Okay, all right, the next part is you can do this type of post once per week if people are watching your stories but they are not reaching you. You see that your story reach is increasing, but they are not reaching out to you. You can use this type of post so that people will be engaging. They will be reaching you and sending you message and engaging. Okay, so this is an example, typical example. So hey Kofi or hey Kojo, I love how you follow along with my journey. I really appreciate you. Did any of my stories relate to you? Always instigate. Don't wait and then and wait for people to be sending you message. And when you post the act story, you can screenshot it and then post in the Facebook group to help people also craft their idea around or copy your idea and also do the same thing. Okay, we are helping each other here. All right, one thing you can also do is if you see more people watching the weight management, all those things, and they are not engaging, you can see who is watching the Instagram. Even on WhatsApp, if your read receipt is on, you can see who is watching. Facebook and Instagram too, you can see who is watching. You can send them this script here. Hey Kojo, hey WAP, or hey Willie, I love how you follow along with my journey and my stories. I really appreciate you. Did any of my stories relate to you, or did any of what I just posted relate to you or someone you know? Always instigate that. All right, don't just be waiting and hoping and praying that someone will reach out to you. Mostly it doesn't work like that. All right, so guys, thank you so much. It has been an awesome day training. I hope you had a lot of value. As usual, The training continues in the comment section. If you have any questions, suggestions, just reach out to us, and we'll be very, very helpful. Like I said, I'm on a short sabbatical break from social media, so most of you will be seeing me post and all that, doing the assignment. I'll be doing mine at the second and third quarter of 2023. All right, thank you all so much, and I can't wait to see you succeed. I can't wait to see you become happy. I can't wait to see you become successful. I love you all so much. Stay awesome, stay safe, and bye bye. Bye bye everyone.